Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to talk about this product today, and that is the Shark SmoothStyle. Now, Shark just came out with a brand new hot airbrush, but it's so much more than a hot airbrush because of these heated smoothing combs. I'm going to talk about those in just a minute. We are going to unbox this product so you can see it in all of its beauty. Right off the bat, you can tell it's for all hair kind. There's so many different hair textures right here using the product and how it was styled. I absolutely love that they included that. So as you open it up right here, it has a wet hair mode and a dry hair mode. I really love how easy and simple they make their boxes, just like right to the point. Like, this is what this does, and this is exactly what it's all about. So we have some quick styling tips right here that they included, as well as a styling guide. This styling guide is very, very, very easy to follow. It's one product and there's two ways to use it, and this is how it works. And then it goes through exactly how you should use it in the wet hair mode and exactly how you should use it in the dry hair mode. Super straight to the point. I love that. So here is the SmoothStyle, and these are these heated combs that I can't wait to talk to you about. So before we get into the dry hair mode, I'm going to talk about the wet hair mode and all of the features that the Shark SmoothStyle has to offer. So first off, we have these detangling bristles, which I absolutely love. They glide through your hair beautifully. Also, they did add the boar bristles and the nylon bristles at the end, which just help grab your hair and it smooths it out and adds that shine to it, so it's completely beautiful. It also has a cool touch tip right here that can help you as you're styling and gliding and rotating through your hair. On the Shark SmoothStyle, it has 3 air temperature settings, and then it also has one setting for the heated combs. And this is the heated smoothing comb technology that I was talking about. And this just helps you straighten, align, smooth out your hair. And this is also great for next day touch-ups, say if you have like a ponytail crease or bedhead. Now that you've seen it in all of its beauty, you might be wondering, how much does it cost? And let me tell you, just $99. And $99, you can dry, you can smooth, you can straighten, you can volumize, all with one tool. I know you guys can't wait to see the SmoothStyle in action, so today I'm going to show you both modes, first the wet hair mode and then the dry hair mode, to show you how quick and easy I was able to get from wet to styled hair. So now that my hair is about 70% dry, I'm going to start with the wet hair mode, and I'm going to style my hair, making sure that I lift at the roots to get the most volume I can. Right here, I am able to add so much volume while I'm drying and styling. As you can see, I'm really focusing on those roots, adding that lift and rotating as I'm drying. The SmoothStyle dries wet hair with no heat damage. And as you dry and volumize your wet hair, the SmoothStyle never reaches heat damaging temperatures, providing a more even heating than the leading hot airbrush. As you can see, as I'm gliding through the hair, I'm not rotating as much at the roots, but I'm really focusing on rotating at the ends just to get that smooth look and finish. All right, here is my hair completely dried and styled with just using the wet hair mode. I absolutely love this finish. I think it's very beautiful. It has a lot of movement to it. I normally don't have a lot of movement to my hair because it's so thick and heavy, but this just brings so much body that like my hair just moves, and it's really nice. And I can flip it either way. I can add more volume if I wanted to by adding product, but it just looks so beautiful as it is. So now I'm going to show you guys how to use the dry hair mode. When your hair is 100% dry, switch over to the dry hair mode and wait for the comb light to turn green. Once it is, you are ready to straighten. As you can see here, as I'm going down, I am adding that tension at the end of my hair, making sure that all of my hair is completely aligned as the heated combs glide through it. The thing that sets the SmoothStyle apart from the competition is the heated comb technology. These ceramic coated plates are designed to maximize hair alignment, volume, and shape for voluminous, buttery soft hair, and ensures that your hair absorbs less heat versus traditional flat irons. So as you can tell with those heated plates, it just looks really, really smooth and finished off. I also really like my hair a little bit straighter, so this just helps those ends not curl in so much. I could also switch my part as well, and let me show you that really quick. As you can see here, you can also use those heated combs on the top of your hair to really get those flyaways to tame and just add that smooth straightness that you're looking for. Okay, now that my hair is completely smoothed and straight, you can see the different types of hairstyles you could get with using the heated combs. The fact that I was able to get my hair this sleek looking, this smooth, and this straight with just using this alone blows my mind. Another thing that the heated smoothing comb technology is great for is next day touch-ups. Say you go to bed and you have bedhead, or you put your hair up and you have kinks in it. This video right here shows how I had a kink in my hair and I straightened it the next day and it turned out beautifully. So it's great for that as well. Hair integrity is something that is super important to me and something that I talk about quite often. And so I try to make those conscious decisions about what tools I use on my hair. So with the SmoothStyle, I know that it never reaches hair damaging temperatures, and that makes me confident in my decision to use the SmoothStyle. If you are wanting a quick and easy way of drying and styling your hair, the Shark SmoothStyle is for you. So I will put everything you need in the description box below for you to purchase your own. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!